Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hi, this is Lisa Haydon and I'm on the set of Top Model and I'm going to reveal some of my firsts to you guys. My first job was working for, I was actually charity fundraising and I used to make animal balloons. I know I've made them on TV before. So we used to get donations for them for our different projects that we would do. We were working with kids at the time that had cancer and that were underprivileged in South America. I was living in the States at that point in time, so that was my first job. When I was 18, I was a waitress for a little bit and my first paycheck was about 5,000 rupees. Groceries, chocolate, cheese, filled my fridge. My first professional photo shoot was only my stomach. It was for Oil of Olay. It was for a stretch mark cream. I didn't have stretch marks and I was not in the bracket of market they would even be selling that product to, which was very revealing for my first professional photo shoot. I had quite a six-pack at the time. I was also 18. This is when I started modeling. And yeah, I just thought, I felt bad because I was selling stretch mark cream to people that didn't have my stomach. The first designer handbag I ever bought was probably a lot later in life than when I started earning money. I never really used to buy designer clothes. I saw a really nice Balenciaga bag one time when I was on a shopping trip with my, well, not a shopping trip. We were on a trip to Dubai and we were shopping at the mall and it was a really good price. I still have it right now. It's huge. It was like an overnighter. Brown leather, really distressed, super cool. Designer dress that I bought. I really can't remember. I really cannot remember for the life of me. I know what I bought last. I can tell you what I bought last, it's not my first. I bought a Alberta Ferretti teal blue velvet pantsuit for Christmas for myself in velvet. I remember my first time with makeup would have to have been my mom's makeup kit because that's every girl's reference. That's where they learn makeup from, right? So she used to use a maroon shade of Revlon lipstick and she would always use it from the one angle, so it always had that lipsticky thing about it. And I remember thinking, what a funny shape. And putting it on, I don't think the color looked the same on me as it did on her, just because her skin tone was so different. And I remember thinking that as well, this lipstick suits mom. Which means I had some kind of taste when I was young. I had my hair straightened when I was 13 years old. It was a Wella straightening. It was one of those ones that nobody uses anymore these days. You'd have to blow dry your hair after every time you do it, and it didn't really work, but I had actually this is my natural hair right now. And when I was a kid, my mom used to brush it a lot, so I always thought that I had really frizzy hair. I didn't realize I had such, you know, nice wavy curly hair. And naturally, my mom was right to brush it because that's what you do when you're a kid. You wake up in the morning, you brush your hair, you go to school. So I never realized that that it could be styled properly, or, you know, it didn't have to be a big pot of hair. Maybe when I was a kid, I used to perform a lot. I was a dancer, so after one of those shows. My first crush was on a little boy in school. I have no idea where he is now. Very innocent, no? I'm pretty in love with my son, but that's not, I mean, there's lots of people that you love, but I guess I first fell in love with my mom. I know it's really bad, but I check what time it is on my phone. And then I don't actually really get to do anything else except change my baby's diaper as soon as I wake up in the morning. Okay, I get it. I understand. I'm coming. Give me 2 minutes. Good morning! Yes, good morning to you too. The first car I ever bought I still drive, believe it or not. I bought it when I was 21 and I have tremendous attachment to it because it's my first car. I paid for it with all of my own money. Nobody gave it to me. Not my mom, not my dad. And I like it. I'm not a super big fancy car person. So whenever someone says, why don't you buy yourself a new car? I'm like, no, what's wrong with this one? Don't forget to catch me on Top Model India. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Pinkvilla.